accountant is not what you think an accountant is. People with wealth and money have a different relationship with their accountant. How do you know, Spicita? Because I'm that accountant. I work with Fortune 500. I work with many people with billions, millions. The relationship with the accountant is different. It's an advisory relationship. It's not a relationship where you're the person who's been keeping your books or the accountant who's been keeping your books simply send over the information to the accountant, hopefully, who's preparing your taxes, and now they save you a whole lot of money and you're happy. All accountants aren't created equally, but when you're making wealthy moves, creating wealthy habits, you want to have an accountant that's an advisor for you.